guys, here I have an Ashton Drake You're My Pooh Bear doll for sale. I got her because I thought she was a reborn and the seller on eBay did not have her listed as an Ashton Drake and made me pay $40 more than she would cost on the Ashton Drake website. She is in brand new condition. I did get her last March, but she was out of the box for no more than a week before I realized that she wasn't a reborn. And she has been in the box since then. I put her on Craigslist and a few people were interested, but no one followed through. So she's about 19 inches, has 3/4 legs and 1/2 arms, which means she can't really wear short sleeves unless she has like a jacket over it. She's made of real touch vinyl, which is super soft, and she smells so good. Her head doesn't really turn, but she does have armature, so she can be posed. Her arms can be posed in interesting positions. So let me know if you or someone you know is interested in her. I would very much like to sell her, and I have had no luck, so I hope that by putting her on here, um, I may get some people who are interested. So let me know. Thank you.